Alright, now I'm dropping off some parts who is going to get matte black for the project bike, and I am in my neighbor town, Pierre car paint shop, and here are the parts, like you see. So I hope it's going to get fast to get these parts back. Okay, now we're back at the paint shop, and they are very fast. I delivered the parts I want to have a matte black paint on, and about 24 hours later I got a text on my mobile phone that come and get your parts. So we're gonna go in and check how the parts became. Here they are. Ooh, check this out. They are so nice. Man. Look at these. Whoa. Of course, I think my boots are gonna wear the black paint off, but you can always better it up yourself. And these, man, these are good. I'm gonna put my GS trophy stickers on here with my name and the Swedish flag and the handlebar. All these small parts. All right, back to my workshop to start assembling the bike. Yay!
Rakt över.
Det är så mycket grejer, mor. Pappa? Var är den där?
Now we are home at my own garage, just to mount some special parts here. Yes, let's do this. See this special screw? when I tight this, the head is going to fall off or loose. I didn't have that special socket, so I made my own one. I think that would do. Yeah, you see. That's the original position. Alright, so now it's off to the other workshop to mount these parts and a lot of other parts on the bike.